Hello students, today I will cover three topics of speaking part 1. First one is commonly asked question to every student. Second is on the basis of work. Third is if you are student they will ask question on the basis of your studies. Vocab and idioms used are impart. It means to give or to pass knowledge. Kill two birds with one stone. It is an idiom. It means to do one thing which will achieve two results. It means एक पंथ दो काज. Attain means achieve. Queries, it means questions. Buddies, it is an informal word which means friends. In the nick of time or at the 11th hour, it means at last moment. Both are idioms. Next idiom is ins and outs, which means details. Cherry on the cake means additional benefit. Early bird. This idiom is used for a person. It means someone who does something or goes somewhere very early. जो कुछ करता है या कहीं जाता है बहुत जल्दी, बहुत early, very early. Crack of dawn. It means a time very early in the morning. Okay, early bird is used for a person, whereas crack of dawn is the time period. Next is serene. It means calm and peaceful. Last one is night owl. It means a person who tends to stay up until late at night. रात को देर तक जागता है ना वो. Okay, let's start with commonly asked questions. First question is, may I know your full name? Answer is, my full name is Kawaljeet Kaur Bamra. Okay, here you need to give full name, which means first name, middle name if you have any, because it is optional. Then surname. Second, how may I address you? You can say Kawal would be fine. I mean, just give your nickname here. Or you may call me Kawal. Or third option is you may address me as Kawal. Next is, may I see your ID? Answer is yes, sure. Or you can say here it is, or just give it without saying anything. Last is, where do you come from? My roots are from Amritsar, one of the well-known cities of Punjab. Okay students, mostly you need to give at least two or three lines in part 1 questions. But here these are not mandatory, these are just for formality. So the main question starts with work. Do you work or study? I am a teacher by profession. It has been more than 3 years since I am in this field. Second is, why did you choose to do that type of work? Answer is, I love to impart knowledge in others. By turning my passion into a profession, I have killed two birds with one stone. You can also say, I love to help others, this is my interest, anything like that. Third is, do you like your job? Yes, definitely. Teaching is in my blood. When others attain good marks with my help, I feel a sense of satisfaction. Is it very interesting? Answer is, as I get the opportunity to meet different students and solve their queries, there is no single day when I got bored with my job. कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं था जब मैं बोर हो गई. Fifth is, do you miss being a student? Yeah, sometimes I recall those days of my teenage years. I miss getting knowledge from my favorite teachers and enjoy with my friends in the canteen. Or you can say, yeah, sometimes I recall those precious years. I loved to participate in different competitions and win prizes. Moreover, I loved to spend time with my college buddies. Or, okay, there is third option. Yeah, sometimes I miss those precious years spent with my buddies. We were backbenchers. We all used to prepare our assignments in the nick of time. Now I have become punctual, but still those days were best. Okay, now questions are on the basis of studies. If you study, do you work or study? I have just completed my senior secondary in commerce stream. Now I am looking forward to enjoy my college life. What subject did you study? My subjects were accountancy, business studies, MOP, and economics. Third, why did you choose to study those subjects? I always wanted to pursue my career in management, and only those subjects could fulfill my dream. Next is, did you like your subjects? Yes, of course. I liked to study those subjects, especially business studies. I got ins and outs of business world. Fifth is, are those subjects really interesting? The majority of chapters were quite interesting. Moreover, my old subject teachers were expert in their subjects, which worked as cherry on the cake for us. Next is, are you looking forward to work? Okay, there are two options. First one is, no, to be honest, currently I just want to concentrate on my studies. After completing my education, I will surely do a job. Okay, second option is, yes, I am willing to do a part time job while pursuing my studies. It will not only give me experience but also help me in reducing financial burden. Last question is, do you prefer to study in the morning or afternoon? Answer is, as I am early bird, I like to study in the crack of dawn in serene environment. Or as I am night owl, I like to study in the late evening. I can stay awake till late night but cannot wake up at crack of dawn. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे तो आपको पता है कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने पीडीएफ बनाने से मना किया था पार्ट 1 की, बिकॉज पीडीएफ शेयर कर देते हैं। इस बार मैंने उसका सोल्यूशन निकाल दिया है, बट ये मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंटल वीडियो बनाई है। मैंने देखना है कि इसको कितने व्यूज़ जा रहे हैं, कितना शेयर कर रहे हो, ताकि आपको कितनी पसंद आ रही है, ताकि मुझे पता चल सके कि आप पीडीएफ बाय करोगे कि नहीं। बिकॉज उसमें 500+ क्वेश्चन हैं, वो कम नहीं होते। तो मैं इतना हार्ड वर्क करूँ, आपको पसंद आया है तो आप बाय करोगे तो ही मैं उसको प्रिपेयर करूँगी। अगर इस वीडियो को अच्छे से व्यूज़ मिल गए, और अच्छे व्यूज़ है मतलब 1000-2000 व्यूज़ को मैं अच्छे नहीं मानती, मैं पहले ही बता दूँ। इसको अच्छे व्यूज़ मिल गए तो मैं विद इन 1 वीक पार्ट 1 की पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी, और पार्ट 3 की भी करूँगी, लेकिन वो थोड़ी टाइम के बाद। पहले इसको पार्ट 1 के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे। क्यू कार्ड की भी पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी आपको नेक्स्ट वीक, बट आपको इस वीडियो को अच्छे से व्यूज़ देने हैं, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आपको चाहिए, पीडीएफ चाहिए, मेरा हार्डवर्क करने से आपको बेनिफिट होएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।